Welcome to Solutions Architecture. Hi, I'm Frank Massinio, founder and principal of Solutions Architecture, recognized as one of the fastest growing small businesses in New Jersey. We're focused on three things: client and personal attention, you come first, communication, one of the most critical aspects in any relationship, and managing expectations. You get what you need. I firmly believe that these principles have fostered our long-term relationships over the years. You see, our goal has never been to outperform others. It has always been to outperform ourselves. We look at every project as an opportunity for improvement. Over the past 11 years, we've put together a team of talented, hardworking individuals who actually love what they do. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Our office culture is important to our success, so it's not all about resume and skills. It's about fit. It's about getting along, working together, and jumping in when needed. Let me show you around. I'm proud to say that we have a team in place that can handle any challenge that you might come up with. We're all about solving problems, and we've helped over 50 districts throughout the state of New Jersey with successful projects. At Solutions Architecture, we put you first. We consider ourselves your technical support for all phases of project development, and you'll receive cell and emergency numbers for all staff working on your projects. Our response time is often immediate, but in no case less than 2 hours. I believe our formula is second to none, and over my 27 years in educational architecture, I've been able to foster some pretty amazing relationships, many of them lasting decades. Hey Lex, why don't we tell them a little bit about how we manage our projects?
Another important element to our lasting relationships is the consistency of our staff, managers, and principals. Over time, we get to know your facilities, and that is crucial to ensuring that communication is efficient and that the necessary information is carried from meetings to drawings and from project to project. Wherever possible, you will see the same team repeatedly. The same applies to our engineers, which can be even more critical in knowing and managing existing building systems and utilities. Aside from our talented architects, we are also supported by our director of graphics, a construction administrator, as well as LEED accredited professionals. In the design of all of our projects, we apply general concepts of green buildings and the LEED building rating system, from local and renewable products to energy-efficient mechanical systems, to daylight harvesting. We work closely with the New Jersey Clean Energy Program to find savings wherever possible. And we have worked on several ESIP and solar projects through power purchase agreements.
Solutions Architecture is proud of the fact that we're technology-driven. We use many forms of tech to make us more efficient, to make our jobs easier, and to reduce issues and change orders during the construction project, and ultimately to manage your expectations. Revit, a 3D modeling software, allows us to show you the end result before construction even starts. We have drones, laser measuring devices, and we even employ the use of 360-degree cameras, which can capture an entire room in a single image. We even conduct building scans and have been conducting Zoom meetings with our part-time employees and consultants in Poland and Vietnam for years. Each staff member is adept at taking advantage of all the information the tech can provide by using their individual iPads. The various technology aids we employ ultimately result in a better set of construction documents and allow us to better manage projects.
In order to streamline the bidding process, we have spent years perfecting our proprietary patent-pending software, Bidbox. The software manages the entire bid process from document pickup to bidding to award. All contractor questions and addenda are processed through the software, and it sends notifications and reminders to all bid holders. Bidbox allows us to enter the bids and instantly tabulate the results and make recommendations. One of the most important aspects of Bidbox for you is that the contractor rating system helps stack the deck with good contractors by automatically sending out information about our new projects to preferred contractors. With all of our projects, especially referendum projects, careful timing and packaging of project bids is instrumental to receiving good pricing and ensuring the projects are completed in a timely manner and within your expectations. All projects, especially those completed during the summer, should allow the critical time necessary for mobilization and ordering of materials. You must know, during the construction process, we are there. Our proposals never limit the amount of site visits needed to be sure the contractor is completing the project as intended and that all questions are answered. A balanced approach to collaboration with contractors is key to a smooth construction process. While change orders will always exist on any project, a good relationship can certainly minimize the overall costs.
At Solutions Architecture, we're adaptable. During this pandemic, we were able to keep our clients and projects moving forward by adapting to the changing landscape. Through the use of Bidbox, which Tom explained, and our SA Live YouTube channel, Solutions Architecture was able to live stream bid openings, conduct virtual walkthroughs and site visits, and post our results instantaneously, all while limiting contact and congregation of clients, contractors, and staff. We assisted our clients with re-entry services and provided PPE, personal protective equipment, from companies offering reasonable prices without gouging. We learned an awful lot about HVAC and ventilation so we could deliver the right information to our clients. We also generated low-cost, high-impact wall and floor graphics to assist those districts in managing student arrivals and enhancing school spirit. Over the past 4 years, Solutions Architecture has been responsible for helping our districts pass referenda. $102 million worth for 4 districts to be exact. We have become expert at maximizing state aid, taking advantage of alternate bid sources like state contracts and the ESIP program, and scheduling bid periods to get the lowest pricing. Our graphics and social media team can put together a marketing campaign that gets out the right message at the right time. And whether it's a public presentation, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter posts, our goal is to get the support of the yes vote. So as you can see, we have a diverse, talented group of individuals who stand ready to assist you with your projects, whether they be capital improvements like roofs, windows, boilers, or doors, whether they be classroom renovations and upgrades like STEM labs, media centers, culinary arts rooms, or whether they be ground-up new construction. Let Solutions Architecture be your expert resource. From our Solutions Architecture family, I thank you and look forward to the opportunity to serve you.